Got a mountain of books sitting in Amazon FBA that aren't flying off the shelves? Today, we're diving into how to efficiently liquidate those slow-moving Amazon FBA book inventory items, helping you reclaim capital and storage space. First up, discounted sales. This is your most hands-on approach. Log into your Seller Central account and head to Manage Inventory. Find those books that aren't performing. You can create a sale event by adjusting your prices. Start with a modest discount, say 1,015%, and monitor sales. If you don't see movement, incrementally increase the discount. Consider creating bundled deals. For example, buy 2, get 1 half off to encourage bulk purchases. Next, let's talk about liquidation services. For significant volumes of unsellable books, specialized liquidation services can be a good option. These companies buy your excess inventory in bulk, often at per pound rates. Research reputable book liquidation companies. You'll typically fill out a form with details about your inventory, and they'll provide a quote. While you won't recover 100% of your investment, it's a quick way to clear space and get some capital back. Finally, donation programs. If your primary goal is to free up space and you're okay with not recovering any monetary capital, donating your books is a fantastic option. Many charities, libraries, and schools are always in need of books. Look for local donation centers or organizations that specifically accept book donations. Not only does this declutter your FBA, but it also contributes positively to your community. By strategically employing discounted sales, liquidation services, or donation programs, you can effectively manage your Amazon FBA book inventory, freeing up valuable space and capital for your next successful venture.